So, my fellow children and church, let us all remember to love each one of us regarding of their religion, tradition, and even race. Happy Sabbath and God bless everyone.
On behalf of the Upper Room Fellowship Center, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to Yaj Gabriel Janelle G. Palabrica for sharing her time and inspiration with us today. Your message has truly touched our hearts and reminded us of the importance of nurturing and empowering our children for a brighter future. So, as a token of appreciation, we are honored to present this certificate of appreciation to you. Let me read the citation. Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Yaj Janelle G. Palabrica in grateful recognition of your inspiring message and unwavering dedication as the Divine Service Speaker during the Global Children's Day. Your heartfelt words have blessed everyone and empowered us all, leading us to a deeper understanding of God's love and our role in His service. given this 15th day of March 2025 at Upper Room Fellowship Center, Bangkal, Davao City. Signed, yours truly, Head Children's Ministries, and our church pastor, Pastor Handel C. Cabrera. May I request Pastor Sabandal to honor this token to our speaker. May I request the children to please come now for the children's sermonette. Please come forward.